Alright guys, we're back to the PC here. Mini PC, we're gonna pop this cover out and remove that. And this is who we are, or this is what it is here. So guys, if I pop this thing here, see that? Sorry, popped. We'll pop this thing. So they're trying to eliminate more of the screws before they used to have a screw that is holding this thing. So you just pop this guy now out, and this is the video, the wireless connectivity. And I just have to take this other chip right here, this channel thing, remove this, set it aside. I can see the video card is this, so it has to go this way. And remember, I was talking about this little notch right here. This one is the one that goes right there. Okay, sorry, I gotta do this. Oh, I don't have someone filming this for me. So I hope you can see that. Fighting with the camera a little bit. So right there, flip the camera back way. So this one will go just like this. Let's see if it's the right size. But this is what I bought. It's supposed to be the right size. And comes here. And you can see the blue side right there. It goes, and make sure we correspond it, line it really well so that I think supposed to be in. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I have to put on my headlights, and it's just a matter of pushing this thing guy down. There you go. There you go. I don't like this wire being part of this on the thing, but it's designed to be back there because I don't want to restrict the airflow or the fan, but it's kind of far away from that. And make sure you get that click, and it's already set, and there it is. See, NVIDIA NVS 510, and let's see the back part of it. And this is what it is. See that? Let me take this antenna off the way. See that? Connection right there. Port. And sorry for all the shake, because I want to show you guys how it is. We have to test it though and make sure that it works. And that will be a part 2 of this video. Like and subscribe. Live from Minnesota, the JW Solar USA. Love you guys all. Thanks for being part of this project. If you think this project, you're learning something, it means a lot to you, or find it helpful, I encourage you to stay tuned for the next video, and share the video and subscribe. Bye for now. This is how you install a video card.